Is your iPhone 15 or 15 Pro Max not charging wirelessly in your Tesla Model 3? You're not alone. Many users face this issue due to compatibility gaps between Apple's MagSafe and Tesla's Qi wireless charging standards. This video breaks down the problem and provides proven solutions to get your iPhone charging reliably in your Tesla. We'll explore software fixes, hardware considerations, and helpful tips to ensure a seamless charging experience. Before anything else, ensure both your Tesla and iPhone are running the latest software. Tesla released firmware version 2025.1 or later, which includes Qi wireless charging improvements. On your iPhone, make sure you are on iOS 19.1 or later. Crucially, look for a Tesla compatibility mode in Settings, General, Wireless Charging on your iPhone. These updates optimize power management and communication between the devices, resolving many charging failures. Check for updates now, as this simple step often solves the issue. Thick or metallic phone cases are notorious for blocking the wireless charging signal. If you're using a case, especially an OtterBox or one with metal components, remove it and try charging again. Users report significant improvement with slim silicone cases or no case at all. The ideal distance between your iPhone and the charging pad is just 1 to 2 millimeters. Any obstruction can severely reduce charging efficiency. Try removing your case to see if it resolves the issue. The Tesla Model 3's charging pad uses the Qi standard, which requires precise alignment for efficient wireless charging. Unlike Apple's MagSafe, it lacks magnets to guide your phone into the optimal position. Here's a simple comparison. The Qi pad is a basic circle without guidance, while MagSafe includes magnets for automatic alignment. To start, center your iPhone directly on the charging pad for the best alignment. If centering doesn't work immediately, try a slight angle. Some users find this improves the connection. Avoid placing any metal objects near the charging pad, as they can interfere with the electromagnetic field used for wireless charging. Remember, patience and careful positioning are essential. With the right placement, your iPhone should charge efficiently. If wireless charging continues to be problematic, fall back on wired charging. Tesla Model 3s include a USB-C port. Use Apple's official 20-watt USB-C to Lightning cable for fast and reliable charging. Wired charging delivers full power, up to 27 watts, on iPhone 15 Pro Max, ensuring your phone charges quickly and efficiently. While not as convenient as wireless, it's a dependable backup solution. The underlying issue with iPhone 15 wireless charging in Tesla Model 3 stems from fundamental differences between Qi and MagSafe wireless charging standards. Qi wireless charging, the standard used by Tesla, relies on inductive charging through electromagnetic fields. It transfers power without any magnetic alignment, supporting up to 15 watts, but requiring close proximity for efficient energy transfer. MagSafe, developed by Apple, builds on the Qi standard, but adds powerful magnets for precise alignment and positioning. This ensures optimal charging efficiency and supports faster charging speeds up to 15 watts, specifically optimized for Apple devices. Here's a comparison table showing the key differences between MagSafe and Qi 2 technologies, highlighting magnetic alignment, charging speeds, and compatibility features. The exploded view shows the internal components of an iPhone with MagSafe, including the magnet array and charging coil that enable precise wireless charging alignment. The core problem occurs because Tesla's wireless charging pad lacks magnetic alignment, while the iPhone 15's MagSafe system requires precise positioning. This misalignment prevents optimal energy transfer. Understanding these fundamental differences between Qi and MagSafe standards explains why the charging issue occurs and helps users troubleshoot effectively by ensuring proper alignment or using alternative charging methods. If the basic steps don't resolve the wireless charging issue with your iPhone 15 in the Tesla Model 3, here are some advanced troubleshooting tips to try. First, ensure the Tesla's charging pad isn't overheating. Extreme temperatures below 0 degrees Celsius or above 35 degrees Celsius can disrupt the wireless charging process. Next, check your iPhone's battery health. Go to Settings, then Battery, and select Battery Health. A degraded battery could be contributing to the charging problem. Finally, Some users have found success with third-party alignment mats specifically designed for the Tesla Model 3's charging pad. These can help ensure proper positioning for efficient wireless charging. The future looks promising for wireless charging compatibility between iPhone 15 models and Tesla Model 3 vehicles. Industry trends towards universal wireless standards, with many EV manufacturers expected to adopt MagSafe or enhanced Qi technology by 2027. Market forecasts show a surge in wireless EV charging accessories, with enhanced Qi becoming standard across the industry. Tesla may offer MagSafe retrofit options for older Model 3s through over-the-air updates, potentially resolving issues for 90% of users. Keep an eye out for software updates that further optimize charging performance, including AI-driven alignment and adaptive protocols. Ultimately, the goal is seamless EV phone integration, where wireless charging is as reliable as plugging in a cable. By 2030, full interoperability could eliminate the need for cables in EVs. Stay tuned for future updates and advancements in this area. Key takeaways include monitoring software releases and hardware retrofits. Subscribe for more tech tips.